let's try these pieces. Apple crumble. I've been really craving McDonald's apple pie. It tastes like oatmeal with brown sugar and butter, honey, and cinnamon. Hold up, I gotta go tell my mom. The next one we're gonna try birthday cake. Anybody who knows me personally might know I don't really like cake. Funnel cake, but all this frosting, it's not for me. It could be good. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is good. Oh my god. It was a blue birthday cake looking one. This is amazing. It's time to try the carrot one. I'm a little unsure about. You know what's funny? They did a good job. I hate cake. Like, I never eat it. I probably had a birthday cake 2 times in my life. Like, it's a waste of money if you're getting it for me. This is changing my mind. They didn't put too much sugar. They could have added a little bit more. But that would have been a risk. Because if you added a little bit more, it might taste too sweet. I'd rather eat this type of carrot cake than eat the one from the grocery store to make your hair fly off your neck with all that sugar. Clap it up for Susie Cake. The birthday cake, the apple crumble pie, and the carrot cake, they all slap. They all slap. I might want a birthday cake now from Susie Cakes. Now I'm going to go watch YouTube and eat the rest of my cake. See you later. It slapped. 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 Good morning, guys. Today is Thanksgiving. Bro, I was up till 3 trying to set up a Twitch account. I've been putting Twitch off for the past 2 years. Boy, egg. I thought my camera was about to fly off the dashboard. Yeah, I don't need one of those things. Yeah, but I told you I did not want to step in and poop in my Crocs. Don't point it straight in his face. It looked like a cow horse.
I believe all of this was crap.
Nice. Why is... I mean, I would pet it, but they be smelling strong. Don't shine it straight in their eyes, Day. Last time I saw them, it was way bigger than me because I was smaller. Oh, Lord. All right, I'm ready to go.
Have 2 cups of ice water.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, your hands look black.
My hands are black. This is only $1, right?
escalator because it's suspicious and it go up high. It's a big dumpling with the little pinches in the side. Back home, back home. Good night.